Hello, this is Sam Basil with the Alpine Legacy team at eXp Realty, coming to you from a new listing we have to share with you today. This log-sided cabin is just a few miles away from Estes Park, just a few minutes down the road on Highway 34, so that means we're right next to the Big Thompson River, right across the street. This little cabin is priced at $375, so we expect it to go quickly. In our market today, that is a low price. Anything under $400,000 in great shape is definitely going quickly. So come on inside and take a look.